The action is hot in the Battle Dome as Ratchet takes
They're
on
smart.
the Avenger Tournament. If he can survive this grueling series of challenges, he will earn the rank of Avenger. Get ready for the speed round. Oh, the humanity.
You have to kill 60 enemies in the period of time that they give you. I think it's a minute and a half.
Not actually difficult.
Especially since they spawn increasingly faster.
We're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, are we?
Hunter mines are doing all the work.
Folks, the Battle Dome is shaking with excitement. Get ready to watch Team Darkstar fight for survival as they make their way to the Tower of Power.
Yay, Tower of Power! I love it. It seriously is one of my favorite parts of this game. Shoot! They got that attack. That attack is really scary. Especially if you were actually within range. I was luckily just out of it. Nice.
Didn't jump.
Don't jump into the lava. It's a bad idea. As
No, it's actually a very good idea.
Oh, dear, I've done cross-eyed.
No,
Probably shouldn't listen to me.
it actually isn't. He's just an idiot who can't jump. Oh gosh, these guys die! That needle attack actually looks really cool if you can catch it in a hollow shield.
It does.
It's also kind of creepy, but it's the way it goes here at Dread Zone.
Ah, the turrets.
I forgot, we have the charge boots. Ugh, these turrets you will come to hate later. Right now they're just kind of annoying, but you will hate them.
Someone doubt that was your favorite challenge.
No, we're not there yet. But that was kind of fun.
That was kind of lame.
It's time to climb
Here we go.
to the top of the terribly tubular Tower of Power.
Please don't do this. Thank you. Shoot! I'm trying to do this quick because we're running a little low on time. Green ones do not flip.
Terrible.
If your partner can get to the above platform, the other person will spawn there if they jump into the whatever it is.
Team Darkstar simply won't give up.
These will drop. Shoot! You had to leave me.
These Seeing you're doing just fine.
Oh, barely.
Go, Joel, go!
This one is the hard one. When it flips over to the fire is when you want to go.
That was weird.
Whatever. Welcome up. I love this one, by the way. I love doing those challenges.
The middle platform didn't reappear.
Well, whatever works.
It didn't work.
You still got here. It's fine. Yes, with the shock mod, you can knock things off the edge before they've even got on the platform. It is funny.
Ratchet has reached the top of the Tower of Power. He may be the first contestant to do so in the history of Dread Zone. Juanita, what do you think about that?
She doesn't reply. She is stunned into silence. By my sexy bod!
We now have a new Avenger.
Saw that?
His fortune
Sexy
selling
bod.
Cigarettes to children. Ratchet went on to pilot a tanker ship for Zexon.
A week later, Ratchet got drunk and crashed his tanker into the ocean world of Equados. Who can forget these graphic images of baby seals smothered in radioactive waste? Little Coco never had a chance.
How could you? What did little Coco ever do to you?
What?
Al, how can you believe these ridiculous lies?
No. I was just, you know, I mean...
Come on, guys. We need to get out of here before we all wind up dead. What's the plan?
I have been chatting with a tech droid on the operations level. She may be able
Chatting.
to provide the blueprints for these Deadlocked collars.
That's great.
But we must be very careful. Vox has eyes everywhere.
Dramatic.
And I'm green now.
Uncertainty principle isn't as uncertain as you...
And it... Whoa.
What?
We got some serious money.
Indeed.
Gonna check the weapon shop and then we'll be done for the moment.
Yeah, we do have the charge boots, Joel.
Lies!
Ooh, the Arbiter.
And a wrench upgrade. We'll be skipping the freeze mod temporarily. Your controller is Satan incarnate. Arbiter's a rocket launcher. Anyway, we are done for the moment.
Whee!